Hello, in this video I'm going to show you all backup methods on the REALME GT 7C. Okay, let's begin. First, let's open up our settings. Now we need to scroll down a little bit until we find System and Update. And in here we can find the backup and reset options. In here we have the Google backup and the backup and migrate options. So let's begin with the options on the top. In here we can begin with the clone phone, but in my case, and I think it's a common problem, the clone phone only works for the REALME devices. So for example, when you're using a Samsung or something like that, you cannot simply share data from this device to another device which is not the REALME one, because in that case we want to send data from this device into another. So we want to click that this is the old device, and now we should simply scan the code from another phone which has the clone phone app installed, but it doesn't work. Maybe in your phone will, but in my case it doesn't want to work every time, so it is how it is. So we can exit it. Now let's go straight into the local backup and let's create a new one. Also remember that this backup is stored in the storage of your device. So for example, if you reset your phone, your backup will be lost. So what's the good thing to do is to simply copy your backup into the PC or a USB flash drive. You can also read about it right in here, and later I will show you how to copy this backup into your PC, so don't worry. So let's click on start. Now the process has started. Alright, the backup is completed. Now we can click on done. Boom. And as you can see, our lockup is saved. Now let me show you how to create the backup using the Google, and later I will show you how to copy this backup into your PC. So now we need to go back, and now we have the Google backup. We need to click on Google account. In here, under the account storage, we have the Google account that we are currently logged into. Below we can see how many free space we got left. Make sure that backup by Google one is enabled. Below you can see the backup details, so the apps, photos and videos and all what's in that list will be backupped. And now remember that in the future, if you want to restore your backup, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here. It is really important, so please simply don't forget the password to this account or this mail. So once everything is selected, click on backup now, this blue button. Now the process will start. Now within a few seconds the thin bar should appear. Okay, right now. Now on the screen, this thin bar, and you can see that it's starting to fulfill. Basically, when it disappears, it will mean that the backup is finished. You'll also see an information on the bottom of the screen that our backup has been successfully made, and also under the backup by Google one, you will see that how long ago the last backup was made. So now let's simply wait until this process is finished. Okay, now as you can see on the bottom of the screen that our data has been backed. Also in here we can see how many minutes ago the backup was made. In my case it's 0 because it was like 10 seconds ago, and also you can see the hour. Alright, so that's how you can create a backup using the Google one. And now let me show you how to transfer the backup, the local backup, into your PC. Okay, and now let me show you how to transfer the backup. First, you need to simply plug in your device using the USB-C cable to your PC or laptop. Now, also on the device, we need to open up the notification bar. Let's click on in here, charging this device. We need to tap for more options, and we need to select the file transfer. Okay. Now on our PC, as you can see, the REALME GT 7T appeared. It is right in here. As you open up this PC, it should be right in here. Now simply click in here, get into the internal storage, internal shared storage, and now we need to find the Android. Now click on data, and now we need to find the com.colors.backup restore. It is right in here. Get into that, and now click on the backup. And in here are all our things that we have backupped. So everything what's in that folder, we can simply copy. As you can see on the on my phone, on my PC, I made the folder for the backup. So now simply everything what's in here we can copy. Click on copy. We can paste it into our folder. Okay. Now it's calculating the time, and all of the things are being copied. You can also see on the device the instruction how to do it, so you can read step by step how to do it. Okay, we are almost done. Okay, boom. Now we can close it. And that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.